This is a cell phone hanger, as you see, and it's Pro mount. How much would that cost? It cost about $29 for the windshield. We can do that same thing. That is $29. We can do the same thing with almost less than $1 by a coat hanger. Cannot even find the place on the rack. Somewhere here. We'll leave it alone. How much was that? This $27. That is $21. Cheapest way to make a mobile phone holder is a coat hanger. With this coat hanger, you can use a can opener to cut it in this shape. As you can see, here is the cell phone connected to the cable, charging cable. The cable is connected to the radio. Charges the phone. You turn the phone on. It is in on position. Where is your camera? Your camera is right here. You can put it on video or picture or whatever you want. You press the video. Now you can turn it on. Turn it is running. The video is running. It's very simple. You can take it easily by just removing it this way. That is your cell phone taking the pictures. Turn it on. It's not going to hurt. Or you can just use a strap or shoe ties or whatever Velcro to make it tight so it doesn't vibrate. And here is your cell phone holder right there. Cool. It worked very well. It is recording for almost more than an hour. So the connection is okay. Perfect. Not very perfect, but okay. That's good. The phone is going to be put right here. The phone is going to be installed here. That will be the two hooks on the top. That's good enough. Now you can say we made a mount without having to depend on the sunshade. As you can see, I put some bandage here just to increase the traction. I needed a little traction. It is working. It might work. I'll let you know. And can do adjustment on the angle. Let us just see where is the camera. The camera is right here. The video is right here. Is it seeing? Yeah, the road is okay. Is it looking where I want it to be? Yeah. The good thing about the cell phone is that you can change the magnification. It's better than a camera. You can come here and change your magnification. You can have a better magnification ratio. You can turn it on from here. It is running now. It is running. That little vibration, we can deal with it later on. Is it going to stay? Yeah. It is going to work. The vibration, I'm going to deal with it later on. Most important thing now is I do not want it to fall. It is not going to fall because this is going to hold it. To fix the vibration problem, I have to make an arm from here to here to reduce the amount of vibration. But so far, so good. Did it work? Yes, it worked so far, so good. Over 10 hours. And now I can move the sunshade. It's not a problem. I can take it out. I can put it on the side. And it's secure. No, it is not secure. As you see, it's coming down here. So it needs some work. It is getting loose in this part. It might fall. Needs some work. Let us make some improvement. Straighten out now. And we are going to use these two pieces of wood as wedges. They will fit very well with a hammer. With a hammer, they can fit very well in that hole. Here is how it looks now. Before I hammer them in the slots, I will show you when it's done. That is number one. It's very solid. That is not going to fall easily because it is wedged very tight inside. That is number two. Very tight. Yes, and that one is very tight. Let's just hammer it more. That's much better idea. Where do you get these brushes? parts to do the mounting, the phone mounting. Come on. Okay, let's see. Here is one, and here is the whole thing. You get them from right here, from the side of the road. Any two pieces of wood will do it perfectly. Now we need it to make that horizontal. Bend it a little bit here. Very horizontal or no? That is more than I need. Can bend it right here. Perfect. Now, here is my phone. Beautiful. Beautiful or not? Yeah, just need here to be straightened out a little bit from this side or from that side. Let me see. It's not going to go anywhere. It's very, very solid. More on this side. That's perfectly tight. That's very okay. Perfectly good. You tell? Can you tell? It's a little bit here more than here. It's okay. Okay. Perfect. The phone is horizontal. As if you look at this line and this line, only this part is not horizontal. But I can turn it on now. And I can put the start to the video. Bingo, here we go. Now, the shade is not going to be in the way because the shade can go right there. No, it does not because of this side. I can cut it from here later on. This side is obstructing the shade. This side is not. Can deal with that later on.